Alright, I don't know if any of you have a Sam's Club membership, but I often get the strawberry lemon, and it is 5 calories per bottle, and it's really good. I like the strawberry lemon. But this time we saw a blueberry lemon, and I don't think I've ever seen that one there before. So I gotta try it.
Now, what I always do, I don't think it says it, but I always shake it. Yeah, it doesn't really say it, but I always shake it. That's just something I do. It's like purple. It smells like something that you'd get like a soda flavor, like smell. I can't taste it. I had that stuff.
I like it, but I don't really think it has much blueberry flavor.
I can't tell because that.
That one's a little cold. I'll try it warm. That's weird. I can taste this one better.
Let me see. We can.
That's weird. I like it. I probably like the strawberry better. But I like the
because
blueberry.
that one is tart. What I do with this one when I have this one is if you're not a huge fan of tart, I would not recommend. But what I do, since I don't like it too much tart, I like it cold, so I'll put ice in it, and then it will like water it down. It won't water it down to the point like where you taste water, but we'll water it down to where it's not tart anymore. So I'll add like 4 ice cubes with that thing of that, and it'll be good.
And I don't do that because it's not tart to me.
It is tart to me.
I like it the way it is. So if you have a Sam's Club, I definitely recommend the strawberry lemon. If you like blueberry lemon,
from what I taste, it tastes good, but I can't really taste it because I had that.
Well, you have to try it again later. If you like blueberry lemon, you can try this one. It's pretty good. And this one's 0 calories, so. I don't know if I'd get the blueberry again, but I often get the strawberry. You taste vomit?
No, I taste the other my burp.
Oh.
The candy, and it tastes real good.
So, there you have it. Go check your local Sam's Club if you have one and if you have a membership.
And if you don't, and if you have a friend who has a membership, go with them.
They have all kinds of stuff there. I love Sam's Club. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.